955 feet. That's how far down the Arkansas River sits below your boots when you step onto the Royal Gorge Bridge. Back in 1929, a man named Lon Piper looked at this canyon and said, "We're going to hang a bridge across that." No computers, no modern engineering, just steel, timber, and 6 months of work. They finished it for $350,000. Not a single life lost in the process. For over 70 years, it held the record as the highest bridge in the world. Then in 2013, a wildfire tore through here and burned nearly everything around to the ground. But the bridge, still standing. 1,292 wooden planks suspended above one of the deepest canyons in Colorado. Some things just refuse to fall. Stickers. Yeah, I got
Oh, that's cool.
I got some too.
You got some stickers? Mm-hmm. All right, well, we're here. Royal Gorge.
We're riding the gondolas. I didn't know we were doing that. I don't know how I feel about that. Sorry.
Don't worry, they bounce a lot. It's okay. Yeah. Don't worry about it.
I don't know how I feel about
They'll
it.
sway and bounce really good, so it'll be.
I mean, I've done the sky ride at Bell's, so surely it's the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, it's just like the sky ride at Bell's.
It's about the same drop.
I mean, you know.
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah, I mean,
I feel like it's the same.
It hit hard no matter what, you know. So.
it's kind of like being on the Zingo. It's good.
Well, I never
Where are
really
they?
know.
Where are the gondolas? Oh, they're over here. Oh, there they are. Now we're on top of the gorge. Look at that. And that's what we're getting ready to go right across. Is the gondola. Yeah! What do you think about that, Tammy?
Yeah.
Tammy's super excited. Look at us. We're Twinkies. We got the same shirts on. Aren't we awesome? We're
We
cool
are.
like that. This is
We
what
are.
we planned it. Yes, we
Planned
talked
it.
about it this morning. Yep, and that is where we were early this morning. And it's going to be an awesome experience. Can't wait. It's going to be fun.
All of you go wherever you want.
Okay.
I love this guy.
Thanks, man. We like you. What's your name?
Michael.
Hi, Michael. Thank you, Michael.
You get up here?
Yeah.
I'll remember that.
Well, it seems like we're on top of the world here. It feels like. That person's waving at the people that are getting ready to go on this. And we have some of our Mild Hogz getting ready to go on the zip line too as well across the gorge. So we'll film that so we can get them on camera and stuff. So, but as you can see out here in the background over here, the mountain range is just absolutely gorgeous. They also have where you can take a swing. I haven't seen anybody do that yet, so I'm not sure if it's even open right now. I don't see anybody over there either, so I don't think that's even going. But as you saw, we took the gondola. It was, pretty easy, simple ride. And so no, it's on YouTube.
Oh.
There are lives on YouTube. And so, what do you think?
The gondola, it was awesome.
Yeah, wasn't it awesome?
I was really nervous about it
Yeah.
because I wasn't prepared.
Yeah, I got to
I
prepare
had to
yourself.
prepare myself.
Yeah.
But and that comes with when you buy your general admission, you get the
Yeah.
gondola ride and
Yep.
you get to go across the bridge. Now you have to pay extra for the zip line and the sky
swing
coaster.
and all that
sky
kind of stuff.
coaster.
Yeah.
But that was just kind of a happy surprise.
Yeah. The one thing they did tell us, which was actually a good news to know, and that is it's better to take the gondola over
First.
and then so heading from north to south, take the gondola over.
It's going to take you up.
It'll take you up the hill, and then when you're going across the bridge, you get to go downhill
So it makes it easier.
going back over to the north. So when you're going south to north, it's downhill. When you're going north to south, it is uphill. So just kind of be aware of that. If you come out here and you get an opportunity, there they go. Check them out. There they go.
A lot of people.
That's not our
That doesn't
folks.
look terrible.
It's not our folks, but they're just swinging across. Sometimes getting really fast. It's kind of, about medium
That doesn't look that bad, actually.
Yeah, it's not that bad. The only problem is if you go do that, then you got to come back across
ride the
again,
gondola
and then you got to. If we're gonna go walk the bridge, so, but in which we're gonna definitely go.
How much
walk
extra
the
was it
bridge.
to do this?
This was $75 to ride it, I think, or $60 or something.
I don't know.
I think it was $60.
Weight limit on the zip line is 245 pounds.
Yeah.
Minimum weight is 100.
Yeah, and I weigh 246 pounds, so I'm out. Oh man, but it would be fun. But we're gonna take a walk down to go across the bridge, and we'll of course film that too as well. So, how are we? Okay, we can do that. I don't mind.
Ask them if that's what they're doing.
Yeah, if they'd like to do that, we can definitely wait on them. Come back over. So, yeah. We're gonna try to do some live stuff too as well as we go across the bridge, so that way you guys can get to see that too as well. But it's just beautiful. Hopefully that comes across in the background over there too as well. It's just a beautiful area out here. So it's gonna be a lot of video to go through to put all this together for all of the things that we've partaken and been a part of. It's been a lot.
It's been awesome.
But it's been amazing. The week has gone by so fast.
We don't even know what day it is anymore.
Yeah, I
Where
really
we are.
don't.
Every time somebody asks where are we going,
Is
I'm
it
like,
Friday?
Yeah.
Okay, it is Friday. Jeez, it's crazy. So, we'll see you on the other side. Check them out. Dawn and Leslie. Again, we're gonna have Tammy and Aaron taking off on the zip line. Damn, Tammy's kicking his ass. Way out front.
With the sway. Who's
Hold it out a little bit.
gonna let Aaron take
There
a
you go.
picture with him? I'll
Just go like this. Just go like this.
No, Aaron, act like you're hugging somebody like this. Like put your arm,
Here, if you push that.
yeah, like this. The Coke.
Yeah, oh yeah. Act like you're kissing it.
Oh, you gotta hold the flag open
here.
though. There you go. And then kiss.
Kiss the Coke.
There you go.
Yes.
Oh yes. Where are you, Heather?
Yeah. Okay. Love it.
Nice armpit.
I know, it's sweaty.
Shower's back.
You got turning points and this thing on here?
That's funny. Thank you.
Yep.
It is hot. Is my armpit really sweaty?
Yeah, it's wet.
Don't look at my pit stains. That's weird.
Well, friends, it is about time to come to an end. We have about 2 days left. Most of that's going to be driving back home and just heading back to back to Oklahoma. But just kind of wanted to leave with an ending sunset here because it is absolutely gorgeous. For a day that was actually supposed to have a ton of rain, I just wanted to stop for a second and just say thank you to our friends for having these moments together, being able to travel with one another. It is, I cannot say thank you enough. And honestly, what it means to me is more than what my words can say. And I'm sure for those that do have a group that you ride with, friends that you ride with, like it probably is the same for you. But like this group, there's just something extra, something personal connections that go deeper than just kind of the facade, you know, the top layer. And so we have each other's backs. We love each other. We never dispute or have challenges with one another, which is so hard in today's time where everybody is all about me. None of us approach what we do in that way. We always approach it in a way that let's go together, let's stay together and do what we do together. And so you guys have a big place in our hearts, and just something that you mean more to us than just the motorcycle rides that we get to do together. So thank you so much for everything, and this just being a wonderful experience with one another. I hope you enjoy getting to see just a small moments that we get to have with one another and during this entire experience. And so I'm going to challenge you, for those that are just thinking about, like, how do we go do this? What does that look like? How do we go connect with people out in the world and not be so connected to ourselves? That is what this is about, and that is why we do what we do. It's more about putting these out to create inspiration for others to step up, to want to be able to connect with one another authentically and for real, and then through that be able to go step out into the world and connect with others. And there's some biblical truth to that and some grounding of scripture for us that means that, and that's why hopefully you see that in our videos when we go connect with people, that it's authentic, it's real, and it's us being us. And so with that, we are going to probably record a lot less on the way back because there's just not a lot to see, but we'll still have times with one another that we're connecting with one another and having camaraderie with each other, and we'll definitely get to be able to put those together. So hope you enjoy the videos. Like and subscribe. We ask you for that because it helps the channel. It helps us be able to showcase what living life with one another can be. So thank you so much again for taking your time to watch the Mild Hogz at Glenpool. Love you, appreciate you, and hope you have a wonderful time. Get off your aspirations, get out there, get on two wheels, go seek and search out the world that you live in, because I'm sure there's some amazing moments that can be in your life in front of you. So thank you again. Appreciate you. Come ride with us. Bailey, hold your sneezes. Yeah. No dogs barking. No human sneezing. No yawning. No farting. Just videoing.
Okay.
All right, let's start it again.
All right, we are on the downhill slide of this trip.
Yeah.
Ending at the Royal Gorge area.
Beautiful.
We did went where we could walk across the bridge. We rode the gondolas.
Yeah,
we
that was
ended up
cool.
not filming while we were on the gondolas because we were in a gondola with people that we didn't know, and we didn't know if they would be comfortable with us filming. So sorry about that. We didn't get one with us actually going across. But we actually did ride it, and I did survive, and it was not like the sky ride at Bell's, but it was very cool.
It was a little bit higher elevation.
A little higher.
Just a smidge.
A lot higher. And moved a little bit more.
Yeah, it does definitely move.
But
the wind catches.
But I'm glad we did it, and it was fun. Yeah. And then we got off there, and then Tammy and Aaron and John and Leslie rode the zip line, which was so fun to watch them do that. I kind of wish I'd have done that now.
I know. I wish we would have done that. I don't know why we didn't do it.
I was a little chicken at that time, but that's fine.
If you missed it in the video, really important, just from the amount of having to walk, do it from the south side, do it from the north side, riding the gondolas over to the south side, and then walking back south to north. Because otherwise, if you do it the opposite direction, everything's uphill. Yeah. And that is not a fun journey. That
was a tip from the people that we bought our tickets to go in. And when you pay to go in, it pays for the gondola ride too.
Correct.
Like it's part of the deal. The only thing you have to pay extra for was the zip line, and then there was a few other things that you had to pay. The big extreme swing deal that you could do. So anyway, the gondolas are free. I mean, they're not free because it comes with the ticket, but
you wanted to do that?
No, I did not. I did not want to do that.
Shannon doesn't like rides.
I don't do rides well.
No.
I mean, I'll do it, but I'm probably going to throw up. So just so you
And
know.
probably have more pit stains than
Yeah, I did have
what you
pit
did in the
stains by the
video.
time we were on the bridge. It was so hot
It
that
was
day.
hot that day, yeah.
And I had on a sweatshirt.
Yeah.
So you see it in the video. I had it tied around my waist by the time we got to the bridge. And my underarms were so wet with sweat.
Yeah.
I
think it was the gondola, but anyway.
It was not that.
Yeah, it wasn't
It was.
that. It was.
It
hot.
was embarrassing, but it's fine. I survived that too. And we missed out. Heather and Diana and Steve didn't come with us on this.
Yeah.
They were a little.
That's why you see Aaron by himself
Yeah, that's
kissing
why
a
Aaron
Coke,
is kissing his Coke instead
Yeah.
of being with his spouse.
being with his wife.
But anyway, Heather and Diana weren't for
Yeah.
sure if they would be able to.
Yeah.
They don't like heights. They're not
Yeah.
height people. And Coach was very nice and stayed with them back at the house. So
Well,
anyway,
hopefully you've liked the recap too, because there's
Yeah.
a recap video going on behind us. This is
Yeah.
little snippets of scenery from
all
the
the trip,
entire
the whole
trip. So, as from this point forward, we actually start getting back to Kansas and Oklahoma. And for all of those that live in the Central States, you know how beautiful and glorious and amazing that part of the journey will be.
Yeah.
So we'll probably quickly end our Colorado journey here pretty
Yeah.
soon, in the next couple of weeks, and then
very flat.
yeah,
Very-
go on to our next journey and adventure.
Yeah.
So, all right, we're going to turn us over to our two channels to celebrate and recognize. The first one's going to be Madman Scoot. Yes, Madman. He is out of the Tucson, Arizona area. He actually rides on the weekends, rides with a group. They always meet at the same place, which is actually kind of cool. Little gas station that they meet at, and then they take off from there and go to eating places. Matter of fact, his last video, I think he drove over 400 miles to go to eat somewhere.
I mean, that sounds like something we would do.
Yeah, I was like, whoa, that's some.
What is it about motorcycle people?
I don't
and
know, and
finding
going long
places
distances to go eat.
I don't know.
But it has solid music with this channel, big supporter of us, and so thank you, Madman Scoot. Go check out his channel, enjoy good riding, good POV action. And then we're going to go turn us to somebody here in Oklahoma. We've actually not been able to do this since we've been celebrating channels. We're going to celebrate Paul's Moto Zen. Again, Paul's Moto Zen. And he actually lives out of kind of the Lawton area of Oklahoma, so the southwest side of Oklahoma. Does a lot of trips over into Medicine Park area, goes through a lot of, like what would be bison or the Oklahoma buffalo in that area that's just out in the wilderness, a lot of deer too as well. Has some really great POV videos. His last one is going into the sunset of Oklahoma, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And so you wouldn't realize that you see that kind of scenery here, but there's some
There
amazing,
are some very pretty places in
amazing views.
Oklahoma. It's not all flat and boring.
Yeah, no, it definitely is not. It's a
We live
beautiful
in a
state.
pretty nice area
Yeah.
that's not flat and boring. So
Yeah, it's a pretty state. So.
Don't sleep on Oklahoma.
But go check it out. Paul's Moto Zen. He again supports our channel, so thank you, Paul. Appreciate you for being a part of this with us. And so that will take us to an end
Yeah.
of this video. And so we appreciate all of you that have participated, commented, and been a part of this channel. Thank you again, and
Like and subscribe.
we'll see you on the other side. Woo! Nice job. Oh, I gotta stop recording here about right now. How are you gonna
Just
kick us
go.
off? Yeah, go for it. Just knock it out of the park. Hi, everybody. No.
Okay, we're on the downhill slide of this trip.
You're making my hair blow back.
Oh, golly.
Okay.
Here we are, leaving the Royal Gorge area. That was amazing. We got to see lots of things. The gondola ride, no idea how we didn't get footage of us actually going across. I don't know really what happened there, but
Yeah, I don't either.
it's fine. Actually, I think,
Well,
never mind.
we'll just start this over. What we should do is actually do this where he's sitting there and I do voice and he's just sitting there. I mean, how funny would that be?